For this cute zipper nail design, start out by painting all of your nails a color of your choice. Next, choose another nail polish color of your choice and make a V with the nail polish and just fill it in. Finally, add the zipper and the tongs of the zipper nail. Draw a line where the two things intersect. Then add a little triangle. And that's your zipper. Now just add little lines underneath of it. And little lines on the side of it. Add a top coat and you'll be finished.
Thanks for watching this cute and easy nails tutorial. Remember to subscribe to Easy Nails 472.